Why Tesla is successful and how it changed the automotive industry forever. Tesla was founded back in 2003 as an automobile manufacturer dedicated to developing vehicles that ran on electricity instead of fuel. Tesla came into the automotive industry as a disruptor. It aimed to be different and it tried to do things differently from the outset. Today Tesla, a very archaic and traditional industry, builds not only all-electric vehicles but also infinitely scalable clean energy generation and storage products. Tesla's recent breakout market performance is proving it, boosting Elon Musk past Jeff Bezos, just became the richest person in the world, with a net worth of more than $185 billion. Musk's electric car company Tesla has surged in value this year, and hit a market value of $700 billion £516 billion for the first time on the 6th of January 2021. Elon Musk have turned the more than a century-old industry upside down in a mere 16 years. What started as a fragmented market of some 200 car makers in the early 1920s gradually consolidated into a few behemoths who erected enormous, capital-intensive barriers to entry that they assumed to be unassailable. In this video, we'll take a look at Tesla dominating the world as the greatest disruptor in the automotive industry. Make sure you stick around until the end of the video and leave a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to the channel for more fascinating content. Also, we are starting a video series on Elon Musk. This is the first video of the series. Stay tuned for the next one. Now let's explore what sets Elon Musk's Tesla apart. The first thing that sets Tesla apart from all its competitors is how accessible it is. It simplifies the buying process. All a customer has to do is visit the website and browse through the various models that they have to show. Following that is a simple selection and customization, with customers selecting which additional features they want in their car. The customer request is sent to Tesla and all that's required is for the customer to select a pickup date from the dealership. Buying a Tesla is relatively simple. Tesla is developing vehicles that the market can access, whereas its competitors make vehicles they want the market to access. It feels like a revelation, and this revelation is now making its way throughout the industry. However, what sets Tesla's vehicles apart is how they build them. Tesla's cars are more than just a husk of metal that lasts you some years. Instead of that, Tesla builds cars by developing software on unique hardware. You don't buy a Tesla, you buy a software platform that is constantly updated. This enables the company to improve its car's software functionality every few weeks. This is in sharp contrast to the traditional auto industry model where the product is the same for as long as you drive it. With fewer parts, the total cost of Tesla ownership is significantly lower than an internal combustion vehicle. There's no need for expensive oil changes, tune-ups, replacing mufflers, and the like. It leverages its prowess in battery technology to minimize the total cost of ownership over the vehicle's lifetime. Tesla's battery-powered vehicles are significantly simpler than their internal combustion competitors. By some estimates, they have significantly fewer parts per vehicle, around 20, versus the 2,000 in internal combustion engines. This simplicity dramatically reduces the consumer's total cost of ownership. Tesla has recently acquired battery manufacturing companies and will incorporate new kinds of battery-related technologies into its vehicles, which could further reduce cost of ownership. While other automakers are also rushing to acquire the right electric battery expertise, they will still be playing catch-up as this market grows. Tesla is what it is because of its promises for clean driving and environmentally friendly automobiles. It attaches itself to the predominant market trend of the day that is going green to reduce global warming. Who wouldn't want to own a car that creates no pollution, eliminates visits to gas stations, and is truly green, conserving the environment? Tesla has combined the responsibility of conservation with a product that makes it fun. It's raising interest in preventing climate change and cleaner living with every single sale. Tesla is alone in developing automobiles in this way. What Tesla sells to its customers is far more than just a vehicle, it's an experience that the customers want to have. There's something special about owning vehicles as advanced in technology as Tesla's, and the promise for more makes Tesla even more appealing for the market. To drive home what it means to do, Tesla has priced its vehicles quite competitively. They provide greater value for money than most of its competitors. Almost on its own, Tesla has proven that electric vehicles can be desirable, combining outstanding performance and high-tech interiors with usable driving range. They are quickly becoming the leaders in the automotive industry, and they are dominating the automobile industry by being different, the chock full of technological magic that's years ahead of all the other car companies. That was all about what makes Tesla such an interesting and set itself apart from other company, also that makes Elon Musk the richest person in the world. Also, as I said earlier, we are starting a video series on Elon Musk. This is the first video of the series. More are coming soon. You can also give us suggestions related to this Elon Musk series. Those who give best suggestions or topics, will get a shout out in our next video for sure. So, do let us know in the comment section. We hope this video has given you some insight, and maybe inspired you. If you liked the video, give it your thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, if you have not already done so. Click on the bell to always receive notifications about new videos. Thanks for watching Infinity Insight.